Okay, let's make some slides now. I'll make use of some of the templates, and others I will make without templates. So when I start presentation these days, I like to know how my students are feeling, what is their emotional state. So I will try to find some template for this. I know there is one template. Okay, here it is. So how to use the template is just click on it, and it will appear as a new slide. Okay, here it is. Now if you look at the bottom of this slide, there is a bar. This is Pear deck interactive slide bar. So you do not want to remove this. If you delete this bar, uh, you will not be able to um, uh, make use of the interactiveness of this slide. So you will have to keep it. Okay, now this one shows the type of the slide. This one is draw slide. So students have to draw anywhere on, they can draw anywhere on the slide. They can draw on the smiley face that suits their emotion. But I do not want this. I want them to drag a circle or small spot on one of these smiley faces. So one thing is that I will change this. I will write that drag the spot on a smiley in a smiley face. So then I need to change its type of interaction. I will go out of the template library and then tap on draggable. Now it will give me options that what type of uh, dot I want to use. So I will use a dot, okay, a circular dot, and I can change its color. Let's say I want to change it to green, or I want to change it to this purple or magenta, whatever that is. And then I can change the size of this dot also. So I will try to keep it small so that if there are a lot of students, the smaller dot will serve better. So now I will click on update slide. After this, it will update the bottom bar also. So now, now you see that this bar has been changed and adapted to the type of interactions on it. Okay, I will change this from spot to dot. Okay, now this is one slide. Now after this, next thing, since everyone is apart and scattered throughout the country and maybe in their hometowns mostly, so I may like to know where the location of my students is. So I will choose a template, or I think I can make it without a template. I will make a new slide, and here I will write a question that show me your current location by dropping pin on the map. Okay, let me decrease the size. Okay, now on the map, okay, the pin and the map. So I can insert a map by searching on the web of Malaysia states. Okay, for example, I want to use this map. I will insert it on the slide. Okay, it is here now. Now since the map is here, you can choose any map you like. Now I have to create an interaction on it. So I will create a draggable interaction again. I will change this dot to this pin, and I will change its color from, I think the color is okay, but I will change the size to a smaller one. Okay, here it is. If there is another idea that you can ask your students that where do you want to visit after the lockdown is over, you can have a map, and you can have these pins, more than one pin. Like if you want to ask them like what are the three different locations you want to visit. You can add another pin, you can add another pin. Okay, you can change the color of this one to blue. Then these three pins will appear on the slide, and students can pin three different locations on the map like this.